So here we are, inside the 4032. And now this light is necessary, but also, I think it's necessary, but also it's kind of in my way, because I got to get my arm in there. So how necessary is that? Maybe not so necessary. Maybe somewhat necessary. Oh. Alright. I'll set that there. Kind of, sort of. So, with great care, I take my little wee screwdriver. I put it just under the corner. Is that the right screw? Yes, it is the right screwdriver. I put it under the corner of the 6502 chip. And I try and get a little bit underneath. And then I give it a gentle little pry. Now, some people, of course, they'll forever tell me that you should use a chip puller. I understand that. But I have had great success very gently doing exactly what it is that I just did. And if I'll put this back in here for a second. And if you look, I don't believe I've done any harm to any of the pins. So that is how I remove a chip. Doesn't necessarily mean it's the right way.